We're looking at Intel here on the weekly chart. You can see we're trading down here right around that mid 35 range right here. Down around $1.57 on the day. We have earnings coming up on October 23rd after market in here. So that's going to be something that we're going to watch as we work our way into next week. By this week, you have right around a $2 expected move in here with a lot of volatility in the overall markets and in Intel. IB rank in here is sitting at 63 with the $2 expected move this week. You basically double that going into next week. That's going to contain that earnings cycle. So about $4 on some 100%, or actually 103% of raw IV in there at a $4 expected move. Where does that kind of put us here on this weekly chart? Well, 37.11 is what we're looking at for our next resistance up in here. Anything above that, we're looking at the $40 psych level. And then we're going to be looking at this range up here, 42.01. On the downside, we have the 200 SMA and this 9-day EMA starting to kind of converge here. So those are trading right around that 32 and that 31 mark respectively, give or take a few cents here and there. But that is going to be a whole area that we're going to be looking at for a major support. Anything below that, it is going to be down here right around that 28.85 or this lower trend line, whichever one of those do come first. So we're going to see what happens in here in Intel with that earnings coming up next week. So that's going to be October 23rd after market, $4 expected move priced in by next Friday. So we'll see what works or see how we work our way into that earnings cycle next week. But again, the big level we're watching for the rest of the week in here is going to be 37 to the upside. To the downside, we're looking at this 200 SMA or the 9-day EMA, whichever one does come first. And that's going to be right in between that 31 and that $32 area. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.